Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I discover about my contact page that is made by me and also my friend AI that helps me a lot. And today I made this page, contact page. So here is my contact page. This is my contact page. All this where I use headings, paragraphs, heading S2 headings, and again strong tags and some italic tags and phone numbers, email, send a message for any send a message for me to buy a customer or any consumer. After we use uh, again paragraph and this is a form. And after I use this return page button. Okay, so let's see what is the code of this page of HTML. So here's all the page of this contacts us page code. First off, I start from the boilerplate, and after that, I started the head tag and use in the head tag I use the title contact us. Okay, and after I close the head tag and I start the body tag, I use the main tag for my H1 heading. Main tag, we use main tags also for all the contents in the HTML page. So I use the main tag, and in main tag first of all I uh, write the H1 tag and write the contact us page name. And after about it, I use the paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag I write the all details of contact page. And after this, I close paragraph tag and start section area levy tag for this. Where is this code? Yes, this our information and website supports. That's why I use contact info. This contact, yes, our contact information, and here is our contact information. Okay. Hmm. After this, I use a strong tag, and when we use website support, that is strong, and also I use bracket tag for line break and give the example of it. For the example, street and address of any office, like my office and any other office. But I use BI tag and I use the phone number text where I use anchor tag for the hyperreferences for a mobile number. That is this. Yes, this is phone number, and if I click in this phone number, then it redirect to uh, call, and I click the email, and it redirect to my go to email. So for this, I use anchor tag that is or use tag use an attribute that is mail to. It is only for email IDs. Uh, and this is telephone. TEL means telephone. It is only for phone numbers, contact numbers also, where I give this email and where it redirects me. Whatever I write in this any other number, I can also type your numbers, and I click if it in this zone, then I will redirect to this. Whatever I use here, write here, anything like 1 2 3 or anything. Also here, I write here anything like aman.com, like my name, harshit.com, and it redirects me to this mail. Okay. After I close the address tag. I start the section tag for write and a section. That is this for my home tag. Okay. So I start section area level contact form. That is that is the name of contact form. Okay. Hmm. It is yes. After this, I use H2 ID contact form. Send as a message. Okay. Give it ID also. And after this, I use paragraph tag for this, and I use form tag for action method post for use and label full name. Also give it a name and also input type text for the type any name or anything type can use. And I give it a full name ID that is also this and this and name that I use for this and required placeholder means that I in this blank zone I source the name and I source the what I want to show there for typing for a closed label. I have to give it VBR tag. Okay. Again BR and BR again two times for two spaces, tab spaces. Okay. And I give it the email. I also use star for mandatory purpose. This is the mandatory. It means mandatory that you have to fill this field. Otherwise, you cannot submit your form. Okay. So I use a label type for this, and also I give the input type email. That is that shows you have to write a special character like dot at the rate whatever this email. So if you type in the contact number or name otherwise and you don't type at the rate dot like so your form is not submitted, not will be submitted because of the I use this attribute email. Okay, I do. And after that, I also use here this holder, card place holder. That means I understand you past in past this. So we use placeholder for the showing name like I show you here. I use this email and here you can show this u at the rate example.com. If I type anything in the name like any my name and this is the this appears. So here you can see that is the name u at the rate example.com. And also I use this BI tag again two times for more multiple spaces. Yeah, again I use subjects for what subjects you want to uh, you want to know about anything. So again I use this all the things and after I use message. Okay, yes, this is the I got for the thing. Like I in the message uh, button in the message box I use text area text area. Okay, text area and give it a message. I did a message that is the name. Text area means I give it the message area. This text area means I can also scroll and I can also uh, want to more space and I can also write anything like this. Takes us I can this and okay after this I close out a little and the last second I use the button right for tab submit and the submit button if you fill the form you can submit the button or you fill and after I use that also a reset button that is for if you type inform any mistake so you can also reset the use the reset button for the reset all you have to write, all you write fast, so it could be resetted. And I also close the form tag and section tag. At the last, I use footer tag. That is commonly and important also for my uh, for my website. And here I use the written for the homepage. Here I use anchor tag for index.html. If I want to go to homepage, uh, if anyone I want to go to homepage, then I go to the click index.html and go to the homepage. After that, I close main tag and body tag HTML also. So that's the my video of HTML contact page. And here is my video. So what do you think? What about my video and how is the video? Comment me and give me a like for my videos. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.